Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today is a big home upgrade day because as you can see, I have my wooden gate and I'm so excited. Next, I'm going to show you the process of how this gate got built. I'll show you the before and of course the after. Let's get to it. So we're going to start around this side of the house. So this iron gate was originally already here. So I wanted to get more protection around the outside gate. I didn't want to take the old gate down, so I'm okay with having both of these gates like this. So this is exactly how I wanted this area to come out. Open this part. So this is how it looks with it open. Then I can come through here, and then this is this latch, and then it has this thing right here to open it. I'm not gonna open it, but yeah, you get the gist. So this is how this part is. So yeah, I'm thinking about putting my trash can in this area if it's enough space. And I'm thinking about doing all of this, like this area here and this whole inside area completely gravel. It's gonna be this next part. So when you come from here, this is this whole side. It gets so muddy right here when it rains, is why I want to make this gravel. This is the other side. With this pole right here, he tried to do as best as he could to get the gate behind it. As you can see, I think he did a really good job. This gate looks amazing to me. And then this is this side. So on this side, I did the same thing with the double gates. And this is how this gate turned out. This is how that corner looks. He says he's gonna come back and fill that in some more. We're about to get some bad weather here in a couple of days. So when he come back and finish this, I'll show y'all. I'll go out there and show y'all this gate, and I may show y'all how both of them open. But right now I can't open this side of the gate because this post had to get re-put in. All the posts are 10 foot, but I think this one he had to take back to make it a 12 foot because it was leaning in like this way. So he had to put it deeper in the ground. So right now, he just put this in yesterday. So right now this is wet concrete, he said, and we're about to get snow in the morning, and my ground holds water for a minute. So he said it'll be about 2 weeks before this side is completely set. So as you can see, he have some boards under there that's kind of like propping it up so it can stay stable through the weather. And we will check back on this side when that is done. So something else that I also asked, I call him my yard man, I guess my landscaper. Something I also asked my landscaper to do is fix my garage door. I don't know if I have a video of how it opened before, but I'm gonna show y'all how he fixed it basically. Before, the top part right here, the tip used to like bow out, and I used to have to keep a brick down here on this side to keep the door closed, or if I didn't have a brick there, it would just like fly all the way open. But with the brick there, it just kept the bottom part steady, but the top part still bowed out toward the front, so it was kind of still open. So now it's closed and it has a lock on it. Look at this. So he added 3 boards on the inside left over from what he had from building the gate. And I had so much material left over from the gate. But so he added those 3 boards and it stabilized it. It still flies in the wind, but it stands up tall and closes all the way, which is what I wanted. So this also makes me so happy. So when you close it, it stays closed even without being latched. So the gate is officially up and done, and I am obsessed. I'm so happy with how it turned out and how it upgraded the look and functionality of my backyard. I finally have a yard that is safe for my dogs and looks so nice. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a comment, make sure you like it. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you please hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you can know when I upload. Let me know what you think about the gate and make sure you stay tuned for what home projects I tackle next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.